about to break down. Oh, hey guys, what's going on? Just updating my Facebook status here. Dear Facebook, you're about to break down in a C wave to test, if I could spell, the 43.55 level. 43.55, yep, in the next few weeks. Nothing like updating your Facebook status to tell Facebook that it's going to break down, and that's going to confuse the heck out of all of my friends and family. Well, that's all right. It's kind of funny. Okay, so what am I talking about? Well, Facebook. I think we just completed what they call a flat correction. Okay, there's only three kinds of corrections in the Elliott wave world, and really the corrections are the key to finding the next trend. Okay, so what I mean by that is, let me just find my my little thing here. And the three corrections that you want to be focused on are, number one, a zigzag, kind of goofy name, I know. Number two is a triangle. And number three is a flat. There's really only three kinds of corrections. The one we're going to talk about is a flat. Okay, a flat is a three-wave move. Okay, and it kind of goes sideways, like the name implies, flat. The first wave is a three-wave move up. Second one is a three-wave move down. And the third one is a five-wave move. And it basically goes sideways, doesn't really move anywhere. It's a three-wave move, A, B, C. The end of the flat should move up to the end of the A wave, kind of find resistance at this double top, and then head lower. Okay, I think that's exactly where we are right now in Facebook. So we had a move up in A, a nice three-wave move down in B, and then as you get inside of this, we'll go to a smaller time frame. That's a five-wave move up in C. Okay, kind of goes sideways. Didn't really affect any strong corrective movement. And looking at one of my presentations, the flat correction is just like this, as I described. It's three waves down in A. The B wave usually goes up to test the area of the A wave origin. C goes a little bit below the end of the A wave. Okay, and it's a very common variation. So I think this is a flat, but just flipped upside down. And I think we're done and about to break down in the C wave. Okay, but before I tell you the target, let me just kind of move in here a little bit and show you the subdivisions of this flat. Okay, this little gap, it's tough here. This little gap is actually no, that's going to be a three-wave move right there. The gap is in the C wave. The software I'm using, MotiveWave, just did the wave count for me, so it's got some intelligence built in that's really pretty good. The B wave is very obvious. That's a three-wave move down, so that's your flat. Okay, and now can you count five waves? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then that gap up on the 24th was the high, and that really was the end of the C wave, end of the flat. So what a nasty gap up just above the A wave high. But we know from the common variations that generally the C goes beyond the end of the A wave. C goes beyond the end of the A wave, and that was the end, and we're heading down, testing the A wave low along with the B wave low right around $55.50. I think we're now breaking down in a C wave, which should test. We have an old low back here on 43.55 from November 13th. Okay, so this should be the C wave, and if we just do a little calculation, distance traveled in A compared to distance traveled in C, that gives us an initial target of $46.45, and then we'll get down to 43.55. So really good way to do this, guys. NASDAQ volatility is still pumped up pretty good. So tomorrow I will look to sell call credit spreads on a retracement back. NASDAQ closed pretty strong today, Monday. So I'd like to sell some premium on escalated volatility. I'd probably do maybe like a 60-65 call credit spread that expires next month for a push down into your $46 to $43 price range. That would complete the ABC correction. All right. Hope that helps, guys. A little bit of advanced Elliott there, but pretty simple when you simply break it down. All right. Let's see if I have any updates. People are like, what are you talking about, Todd? Nope, nothing. But, well, maybe I'll have abs like that someday. All right. See you guys. Take care.